We are going to write and execute Python code in a Jupyter notebook in VSCode. I have asked you to install VSCode. So this is what it looks like. And before you can actually use Jupyter notebooks inside VSCode, you first have to install the Python and the Jupyter extensions in VSCode. So you go here in the menu on the left and you click the extensions button. And here you can search for extensions. So you type Python. And then you will get a bunch of Python extensions. I have them already installed. But you have to go for this one, the Python extension. In your case, you will see an install button like you see here. So you simply click the install button. You do the same for Jupyter. You also need Jupyter extension. Again, I already have it installed, but it's this one that you need. So in your case, there will be an install button next to it that you can click to install the extension. So you first have to do this before you can work with Jupyter notebooks inside VS Code here.